Synthesis of paracetamol. Synthesis of paracetamol. Paracetamol is one of the well-known drugs. Basically, what is paracetamol? Para acetyl amino phenol is known as paracetamol. So paracetamol molecular formula. Paracetamol molecular formula C8H9NO2. C8H9NO2. Trade names, paracetamol trade names: Crocin, Metacin, Calpol, Dolo. So basically, paracetamol structure. So first to draw the benzene structure. This is a benzene ring and attached to OH group in this position, and para position attached amino group and acetyl group. So CH3CO acetyl group and H amino group. So para position. So this is that's why para position connected. Para acetyl amino phenol. So molecular formula C8H9NO2. So tell the structure. So carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 8 carbons and H9 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. H9 NO2. Nitrogen is there. And oxygen 1 and another oxygen 2. So it is satisfied the structure. So paracetamol molecular formula C8H9NO2. So basically phenol ring attached to para position, acetyl group and amino group. This is known as paracetamol. So how to prepare the paracetamol? So basically para amino phenol upon distillation with acetic anhydride and result in paracetamol. So initially requirement chemicals para-aminophenol and acetic anhydride. So para-aminophenol treated with acetic anhydride upon distillation to give paracetamol. So in paracetamol preparation, initially para-aminophenol. So this is a benzene ring and attached OH group in para position connected put in amino group. So para-aminophenol and another one acetic anhydride. anhydride So CH3, CO, CH3. Acetic anhydride or ethanoic number of carbons to this is also known as ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. CH3CO twice O. CH3CO twice O. So in this reaction scheme, what is the reaction scheme? Reaction scheme. Initially, basic sources of substrate molecule para-aminophenol. Here, para-aminophenol. Benzene ring attached with OH group and para position connected with the NH2 group. Para position putting with the amino group is treated with acetic anhydride CH3CO O C double bond O CH3. Here in this reaction, so break the bond, one proton, this is the CH3COO minus, attract the one proton, so break the bond, CH3COOH, elimination product CH3COOH, remaining main product, this is a benzene ring as usually connected OH group and the remaining portion NH amino group. Here remaining portion C double bond O and the remaining portion CH3. So here para position CH3CO, this type group, this is the amino group. So that's why this naming the compound para position, para acetyl, amino, this is the phenol, para amino phenol, is known as paracetamol, So what is the mechanism inside the reaction? So reaction mechanism here, para-aminophenol, think benzene ring and attached OH group. This is a para position connected amino group. This is a para-aminophenol. Para-aminophenol are 4-aminophenol, also known as 4-aminophenol. Here treated with acetic anhydride CH3CO CH3. In acetic anhydride, carbonyl groups is there. So here in this reaction, in the amino group nitrogen having lone pair of electron, amino group having lone pair of electron, it is attached with carbonyl carbon. So in this reaction, the carbonyl carbon double bond shifted to here. So that's why it is arranged of partially positive charge. It Errors of partially negative charge. Partially negative charge. So next step. Now here as usually benzene ring and connected with OH group and N here hydrogen, another hydrogen. So this pair of lone pair of electron connected with carbon C. The double bond shifted towards oxygen, so O minus and connected with methyl group. Remaining portion single bond O and single bond C double bond O. Remaining methyl group CH3. And also, so this lone pair of electron connected to partially positive charge of carbon, so it arises of partially positive charge. So it is intermediate compound, it is unstable compound, so it is break the bond. That means CH3COO minus attract the proton of H plus. So now next step CH3COO minus and attract the proton of H plus. So eliminate the acetic acid. CH3 bond C double bond O and O proton OH. So remaining main product here benzene ring and this position connected with OH group. This is a phenol ring, here. So you bond back to nitrogen. This is a positive charge, so that's why nitrogen and bond H. There is negative charge involved here, so form the double bond. That means C double bond O. So negative charge involved here, so that's why C double bond O. Remaining portion CH3. So here para position CH3CO acetyl group and are also amino group, so connected with para position. So that's why para acetyl, phenol. This is known as paracetamol. So paracetamol are also multi-clinical uses is there. So multi-clinical uses, that means paracetamol act as a analgesics and antipyretics. So paracetamol uses. So first uses it will act as it can use it as analgesics. Paracetamol can use it as analgesics. Analgesics means reduce pain or painkiller or it abolishes the pain and it can use it as antipyretic. What is antipyretic? So reduce the temperature. reduce the temperature. That means reduce the fever. Reduce the fever. Reduce the fever. It can use the first analgesics, reduce the pain and reduce the pain, and antibiotic, they reduce the fever, and another multi-purpose clinical uses of anti-inflammatory. What is inflammatory? It can reduce the swelling. Reduce swelling. It is a mild uses, it can slightly mild property, anti-inflammatory property, reduce swelling or reduce redness, skin redness. So this is the uses of paracetamol. So paracetamol multi-clinical uses. So it is a well-known drug, paracetamol drug. So another conversation methods, benzene treated with chlorine in the presence of. This is another alternative methods. Benzene treated with chlorine in the presence of ferric chloride. There are also all positions hydrogens is there. So here hydrogen replaced by one chlorine to form a chlorobenzene. Remaining HCl. Eliminate the HCl. This is a chlorination reaction. Benzene treated with chlorine and the presence of ferric chloride to form a chlorobenzene. And another conversation step, chlorobenzene treated with nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid is to be maintained less than 60 degrees. In nitric acid, ionized OH minus and NO2 plus. Here, there also hydrogen is available, so proton and H plus OH minus eliminate the H2O. Remaining NO2 is substituted. So para-chloro-nitrobenzene. And next, third step. Para-chloro-nitrobenzene treated with sodium hydroxide. Here chlorine, eliminate the NaCl, and remaining portion OH substituted here. And remaining portion as usually NO2 is there. So this is a para-nitrophenol. Again, para-nitrophenol. It is reduction reaction. So in the mixture of sodium sulfide or sodium hydrogen sulfide mixture, reduction reaction. So NO2 reduced as NH2. This is a para-aminophenol. So para position, para position amino group is the para-aminophenol. And next, so para-aminophenol, this is a Guanine phenol treated with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. So break the bond. Here CH3COO minus proton on proton. Here eliminate the acetic acid CH3COOH and remaining benzene ring and connected OH group. Remaining portion NH and the remaining portion C double bond O and CH3. So the para position, so para CH3CO, para acetyl, amino